cutting tile with your grinder. I always cut like quarter of the way through first. And then you do the whole lot. Always cut your ends right through, people, always. And you always, when you're cutting, you always cut the piece that's not seen. An example is I've always cut my bottom, because then it gets siliconed, it's never seen. And then I have a cut edge there, but that's going in to the internal corner. It's not seen because it gets siliconed up. That is always the milled edge, and that's the piece that's coming out to the end of the cabinet or the bench. Right, so let's get a width. I haven't got my width yet, I've got my height. Let's get the width. I've got no PowerPoints or anything, which is cool. Okay, 610. 610. Everything's lovely and plumb. Square. Oh, there's the cops. We're right on a bit of a highway here. Oh. Yeah, sort of not a highway, but a busy road. Whew. Heaps of traffic, I tell you. I'm not used to it. 610. Let's make it a little bit smaller than that. Allow yourself a little bit of room. That's exact. That's full on tight, 610. So 6.5 is a little bit loose, so go in the middle, you know, 6.7. Go 6.7, and you can just bring it out and silicon goes up. So 607. Yep, 607 it is. 607. Beautiful. Let's cut the sucker. Always cut each end. I've got a little bit of chip happening with this blade, but it's covered. cut right through. Let's give it a go, people. Let's just try it. Oh, I like it. I like it, people. That's come in lovely. Let's slap some glue on. Whooshka. Alright, people, happy days. That mark was on it in the packaging, but I'll bring a bit of gumption and it'll rub off, I think. There you have it. Right, one more piece. One more piece, people, and it's done. The last piece in, people. So that's your splashback. I'll come back in the morning, knock out the clips, grout her up. I'll use a nice white grout, white silicone. It's been a nice morning's work. I like it. See ya.